Performing, the reason why you are an actor. This is the main thing, the reason you became an actor, giving a performance on screen or onstage. It was not to shine in classes, at workshops and seminars, or even at auditions. You became an actor to perform. Never forget that. Professional acting is not about your enjoying yourself, although we hope you do so on most occasions. It is not about going through a significant emotional experience and coming out of it a better person, whatever that means. It simply is being paid to entertain an audience. Entertainment comes in many different forms, including of course serious events when you move the audience members to tears or make them think about profound issues. Strangely enough, the hardest forms to achieve are in comedy and farce, which is why they are covered in a separate topic. Anything that detracts from your performance must be a bad thing, and that means that to give too much of your concern to problems, for things are never as wonderful as you thought they were going to be, to uncooperative people, or to an inadequate script is to spend your energies unwisely. Do not allow the work you have done in preparation or rehearsal to be undone by any annoyance, however justified it might be. There is another phenomenon to be countered, and that is the wish to use this performance as a stepping stone to another one. You can sometimes spot the actor who is radiating that he is not really interested in this job, and he is only doing it while waiting for a better offer to come along. But he has accepted this part, and he should be putting all his energies and abilities into it, and that is of course the best way to be invited to do more work. To consider a job as a stepping stone to something else means that you will never really be there, as you hop from one stone to the next. Another way to look at it is to consider each job as an island that can be explored and lived in to the fullest. You might well be able to jump to another island, which again you can, and should, explore extensively and maybe stay a long while. In the case of certain soap operas, you might stay there for the rest of your working life. Live where you are. Don't spend your precious acting time dreaming of being somewhere else. However arduous the circumstances, find the ways of enjoying each experience. After all, you are acting, and acting has been your passion and ambition for years, hasn't it?